viewers, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make a 15 minutes ragi puttu recipe for breakfast. This is a simple yet easier recipe for breakfast which can be done in just 15 minutes. This is naturally gluten free and also vegan. Just skip jaggery and add preferred sweetener of choice if you don't want to add jaggery. These are some of the health benefits of ragi, that is finger millet flour. Ragi is rich in fiber that helps with weight loss and also diabetes. Let's jump into the making. In a bowl, I am adding 1 cup of sprouted ragi flour. Sprouted ragi flour helps in nutritional content. Add 1/4 cup of salt to it. Mix well with hands. You can also use regular ragi flour for this recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Combine everything with hands. I am adding another 2 tablespoons of water. In total, I have added 1/4 cup of water. Add extra water if the flour looks too dry. This is the right consistency. It forms a big lump when held together. If not, add 1 tablespoon of water at a time until you reach the perfect consistency. I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut and also a serving size cups to make the puttu. You can also use pumpkins if you have. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut as base in each cup. Once all the cups are filled, let's add the ragi flour now. Add about 3 teaspoons per cup. This quantity serves good for about 2 people. Adjust quantities according to your preference. Once done, press it gently with a spoon. Now for the next layer, let's add 2 teaspoons of coconut. And again the remaining ragi flour. Add the leftover coconut on the top. Let's steam these cups now. I am going to use idli maker for this process. You can also use steamer if you have. Otherwise, you can boil water in a big vessel and place a plate over it and steam the cups. For me, the idli plate fits perfectly. Now I have placed it over the boiling water. Close the lid and steam it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Bigger the cup, the longer time it takes for steaming. After 15 minutes, let's open the lid. You can see the color change of the ragi flour. It is perfectly done. To make sure, just roll out a small piece in hands. It is not powdery and forms like a ball. It means it is perfectly cooked. Cool it slightly and invert it into a plate. It looks like snow-filled ragi puttu. See how perfectly it have cooked now? It also tastes delicious to have it with coconut. Add some powdered jaggery on top. When had with jaggery, it tastes perfectly delicious. Kids love this too. Try this amazing recipe today and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description. Check out my other millet recipe links in the description too. I like adding millets in my regular diet and would like to share many such recipes with you. Please share and subscribe to this channel if you want more such recipes. Thank you.